In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter a vendor credit in QuickBooks Online. So to do this, first you want to create the vendor credit. You want to go to create up top left, and then from here you want to click on vendor credit. So you want to click on that, and then from here, of course, you want to create it. So you want to select the vendor. You want to go ahead and select mailing address, payment date, etc. A bunch of different things, as well as the category details. So categories, descriptions, you have amounts, stuff like that, and the customer as well. So create whatever you want here, and then you can just click on save and close. And then whenever you've done that, you've successfully created a vendor credit. Now, whenever you do that, you can then apply it to a credit, to a bill, basically. Now, this is done automatically usually, so you can just go to create up top, click on pay bills, and it's going to basically take you over here. You have to choose the bill you want to pay. So for example, let's say it's going to be this first bill I have over here in the list. Whenever that pops up, there we go. I can click on that specific bill and it's going to open up in a separate tab, or of course it's going to just open up that specific bill like that. And then over here, it's basically going to automatically apply your available credit by default. Okay, now of course you can verify it's been applied and it's correct. And then here you can just click on save and close and you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.